some of your stuff. You're probably not gonna get reactions like that down here in Lake Placid.
Oh, I'm not worried about. Hey, see, but I got a reaction. Here's this.
Yeah.
Me personally, no. I personally like these reactions.
That one right there.
That's the one. And like I said, you guys will see all selves on this next video.
What? Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and this is the Lake Placid open carry that I did, and I can't say I love these interactions. That's all I can tell you about this. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, and make sure that you're sending an email to soloyaker100giveaway@gmail.com so that you get entered into the 100,000 giveaway that we're giving away. So, and I'll put those links in the description, so if you don't know about the video, go watch that video. That way you know exactly what we're giving away. But other than that, I'm gonna get out of here, and Soliaker, deuces. All right, all the rules and regulations were good. All right.
Do you have any more water
You know the acronym for BOAT is, right?
What's that?
Break out another 1,000.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's the acronym for BOAT, man. And I'm hoping it starts up for you, bro. Yeah, you know what I mean? And that's what happens. Every time you let it sit, the day you want to go out is the day that's like, nah, not today. Come on. Come on, fishing gods, let them go. Come on, fishing gods, let them go.
Hey, how long has that been sitting? Right there, Red, you want me to prime ball all the way hard?
That's what she said?
Pump the ball all the way hard. It smells flooded. And like old fuel almost when I went by, it smelled flooded. So pump that ball up.
Yeah. What's up? Nobody. Everybody seems pretty chill. Yeah. And I was just waiting for y'all to get out of here. Oh no, I'm not. Oh, some days good and bad, but so far nobody's freaked out. I mean, yeah. Yeah, it's a GoPro. But yeah, man, friggin' I heard you guys got some big alligators. I saw that movie.
Let's hope not
Yeah. So I figured, you know, it's only accordingly to bring a good big gun. No, 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 not. Put it in reverse. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
He might just be.
How y'all doing?
Is that for the alligators?
Just in case something tries to hurt me or you, that's what it's for.
I'm trying to protect.
I'm not trying to hurt anybody, but if something were to happen, I'm here to protect.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's called The Armed Fisherman.
Oh, okay. We are fishermen. Oh,
Yeah.
that's pretty good.
Yeah, I got like,
I need to watch that.
yeah, 75,000 subscribers. Come on over, guys. I'm not gonna hurt you. I have no ill will. I'm not gonna hurt nobody. I'm just here fishing. That's it. Oh, don't be lazy. Come on, you're young. Hey, and then you'll get to be on the YouTube channel. Yeah, see, dude. Yeah, yeah. That way, you know, the channel's called The Armed Fisherman.
The Armed Fisherman?
Yeah.
Spaces?
Just type in The Armed Fisherman, and it'll be the first one you see. 75,000, 76,000.
Okay, yep.
Yeah, buddy. But anyway, yeah. And just to let you know about the law, long as you're engaged in fishing, hunting, or camping, going to and returning from, you are allowed to openly carry a firearm.
That one right there?
That's the one. And like I said, you guys will see yourselves on this next video.
What?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. Yeah. But I go around the state of Florida. I openly carry a firearm. I have no, I don't want to hurt anybody. I just want to protect.
I was gonna say, what brings you to Lake Placid?
I just pick a spot on the map and just go. You know what I mean? Let's go. Let's go.
I think you'll like your little town here.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's dude. This lake. I wish there was more fishing areas. Can I fish over there? I didn't want to fish in the swimming area.
Most people don't go over there. I
Yeah,
fishing over there earlier.
Yeah. I don't want to go in the fishing area because people fish there. That's why I'm over here.
Across the lake, there's Mission Park.
There's another park across the way.
Yeah.
All right. Nice. Nice. Yeah. I'm not from here. I'm from actually I'm from South Florida. I drove about an hour and a half, almost about an hour and a half here. So, and like I said, I travel, I go around the state. I've been down to Key West, and I've been all the way up to Tallahassee, Pensacola, West Palm Beach, Miami. I've been to South Beach. You should see some of my South Beach, Miami videos. Those are some good ones.
I've seen some of your stuff. You're probably not gonna get reactions like that down here in Lake Placid.
Oh, I'm not worried about. Hey, see, but I got a reaction. Here's this.
Yeah.
Me personally, no, I personally like these reactions because guess what? It shows that you're not scared of me. And that's what I think a lot of people, there's going to be one or two or three that are always scared of guns.
Especially what's happened
Recently, right.
Yeah.
I get it. And I totally get it. But at the same point, I've got, most of you are under 18.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I've got under 18 people that were in the same high school and you're right next to a guy with an AR-15. And like I said, you know when there's somebody has ill will.
Yeah.
If you know, and for anybody, if you were that scared, I would say get yourself out of that situation. Like if you're like, oh no, I can't do it, peace out. You know, I would do the same. So, and it's awesome. That's why I say I love this reaction.
Yeah.
I don't, the police reaction, sometimes it doesn't go. Sometimes it's guns pointed at me and I'm get face down on the ground and I'm like, for nothing, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, if anybody wants to talk to me, I'm right here. Like I said, I have no ill will.
I'm just trying to call over.
I wanted to see what
Yeah,
the shirt said. I was like, oh, well, he's got something on it.
Oh yeah. No, it's definitely an AR-15. 5.56. It's not the caliber that kills, it's the person.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, the person behind it is, if they've got ill will and ill intent, those people are the bad people, and they make good people like me look bad. Because I'm out here today
just fishing.
Just chilling. I didn't bother nobody, you know, and everybody was looking, and I saw y'all looking, and I'm like, hey, if you want to say something, come over, talk to me. I'm not a bad guy.
I was gonna see if you were that dude I'd seen a channel for.
Yeah, I'm that dude. And you'll be on that. I might, hold on, I'm gonna get closer. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. No, do that again. That's gonna be the thumbnail right there. That's the thumbnail, bro.
Man, I got a Garantha shirt. I should go get that. It'll fit.
Yeah, for sure.
You want 30 classless haircuts?
Why?
Bro, what? I'll use one.